had a good reaction the other day to a Leonard Cohen song that I sung. So this is known by the incomparable Mr. Cohen.
Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. Why have tried to win my way to be free? Like a fish on a hook, like a night in some old-fashioned book. Oh, I have saved all my ribbons for thee. And if I've been unkind, I just hope you will let it go by. And if I've been untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Oh, like a baby, oh, stillborn, like a beast with his horn, I have torn everyone who reached out to me. But I swear by this song, by all that I've done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. I saw a young man leaning on his wooden crutch. He called out to me, don't ask for so much. A young woman leaning in her darkened door, she cried out to me, why not ask for more? Oh, like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir, I have tried to win my